What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive link in mobile. So let's get right into it. Go to your Google Drive app, press on the three dots on the file you want to share. Go to Share, and press on your profile icon under Manage Access. Press on Change, and press on Viewer. Leave the check mark on the Viewer option, and select the Anyone with the Link option. If you already have it, check, just leave it like that. Now go back to your Google Drive and press on the three dots of your file. Press on the copy link option, and now you are ready to share your Google Drive link. Let's test it out and go to the Google browser, hold, and paste the link and press go. And that's it, guys. That's how to share Google Drive link in mobile. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.